Iowa Secretary of Agriculture Mike Naig recently made a stop in Fairfield to get a better understanding of how to help with childcare resources in rural areas. Our Julia Thomas has more.
The Cambridge Little Achievers Center in Fairfield had a special visitor on Thursday. Iowa Agriculture Secretary Mike Naig visited the daycare on his tour of every county in Iowa. I spoke with the secretary about why daycare was such an important part of his tour.
You know, when I travel the state, I hear about all kinds of challenges that our farm families and ag businesses are having around workforce. And of course, housing is one of those great challenges, but also daycare, childcare for our farm families is an issue. And so I'm always interested in trying to learn more about that. Had a chance to visit a really impressive new facility here, and really what I was curious about is just learning how this all came to fruition, the different partnerships, and I really learned a lot today about what appears to be a very successful model.
Naig also discussed why childcare is such a hot topic in the Iowa Department of Agriculture.
What I hear from folks is that you've got businesses that would say we'd be doing more, we'd be growing if we could find that workforce that we need. I hear many times from our farm families saying, you know, we have to have off-farm income to help support the farm operation. So mom or dad is working off the farm, and then that creates a childcare challenge for them. And so, you know, I do hear about this primarily from that farm focus and in our rural communities too. Just a lack of daycare is really a challenge. So, you know, we know it affects people's families, affects their budgets, and it affects their ability to work.
During our interview, Naig noted that the need for childcare among farm families is rising, with the profitability of farming on a steady decline due to input cost rising along with falling commodity prices. Reporting from Fairfield, I'm Julia Thomas.